But for those who really feel that their nerves are made of steel, just relax, sit back and get another load of it.
Yo, it's been a while since I said hello. Oh, you can see sunshine. It's coming through the windows. So I thought, go on, do a bit of welding, because I've got a little bit of a project going on. Something I've done before, but with a little bit extra. It's got to have that extra touch because it's for somebody's birthday. So yeah, it's a bird box, metal one. But I made a metal butterfly, and I'm just wondering whether to put that on it. You'll get to see the video, but there's still more to do. But I thought, well, you know, it's about time you had a bit of a welding project come up on YouTube on my channel, because it's 3D printing. So this is the bird box so far. So if we can get in here without moving the table. I've cut a bottom out for it. I'm trying to think how I can hinge it. We're going to decorate the front. If you've not seen one of these bird boxes that I've made before, they're quite kind of quirky. That's why I've got the odd shape to them. And when they're decorated up, patched work kind of thing, yeah, so some of them can look quite nice. Got my favourites. If you want to have a look at me making a few of them, then you can go back in the videos, but for those who haven't seen it before, the reason I'm reproducing it is because it's for a friend for her birthday, and yeah, I'm sure she'll like it. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just cutting out the slats for the roof, and there's going to be about 3 lots of those going down, and I'm not sure if I've got the right side now. One side fits the other because it's not perfectly square. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's hope you can. And what we do is start at the bottom. I always forget to start at the bottom. So I'm going to straighten this up a bit. I'm not even sure if I'm going to cut these all the way through or just leave them like they are and then tack them, which I think I can get away with. So tacking them one by one, leaving them in rows attached, should be able to. And I'm going to leave a bit of overlap, you know, for the front of the bird box. Maybe I should have not trimmed the roof so close, but I knew that there was going to be this lot on top anyway, so yeah, no problem. And then so on, and that'll be, yeah, obviously another layer. And yeah, start from the bottom, so you can tack along there, hide it with the next one, tack along there, hide it with the next one. So basically your last tacks of weld should end up along the roof edge. Just makes it look a lot tidier. Again, if I remember to do it, because some of you are going to be watching this video and thinking, oh, I didn't do that, but you know, let's hope I do. Give me a reminder if I forget, might be too late. So yeah, it's going to look, pretty quirky. And it's not too much hard work putting it out with the tin snips. Oh, you joking. So what do you think? Yeah, it's another quirky bird box. I made this butterfly. I'm not sure whether to keep it on there or not. It's nicely welded on. It's just held on with magnets at the moment. Top turned out okay. All panelled. Oh, I've got to build a bottom for it. I've got to put a plinth or whatever on there for the bird to stand on. But again, what do you think? sure they use the butterfly hunter. It's not showing a very good picture here. So something a bit extra.